Hello everyone. Today we are going to make stir-fry minced pork with holy basil and fried egg. This is stir-fry minced pork with holy basil and fried egg. It is considered the most common food that Thai people eat. I couldn't figure out what to eat and thought of stir-fry with holy basil first. The ingredients for making stir-fry holy basil with minced pork are as follows. 1. Minced garlic 3 tablespoons. 2. Minced chili 3 tablespoons. 3. Cooking oil 100 ml. 4. Minced pork 1 cup. 5. Seasoning powder 1 spoon. 6. Light soy sauce 2 tablespoons. 7. Sugar 1 tablespoon. 8. Fish sauce 2 tablespoons. 9. Water 1/2 cup. 10. Holy basil 2 handfuls. The ingredients for making fried egg are as follows. 1 chicken egg. 2. Cooking oil 200 ml. Let's start cooking. Step for making stir-fry holy basil with minced pork. First, we need to blend the garlic and chili for use in stir-frying in our stir-fry holy basil. Then, wash the holy basil thoroughly and then put it in a cup. Heat a pan and put cooking oil in it. Heat over medium heat. Wait until the cooking oil is hot. Then add garlic and chili prepared to stir fry. Add 3 tablespoons of it. Stir until fragrant, being careful not to burn. Then put the minced pork into it. Stir to combine until the minced pork is cooked. tablespoons of sugar. One teaspoon of seasoning powder. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. 1 cup of water. Stir to combine. Finally, add 2 handfuls of holy basil and stir until the holy basil are cooked. Next, we will make 5 eggs. First, set the pan. Add 200 ml of cooking oil. Use medium heat. Wait until the cooking oil is hot. When the cooking oil is hot, add the egg and fry. When it is cooked as desired, put it on a plate. Thai people like to eat stir-fried holy basil minced pork, fried egg with hot steamed rice. You will like it.